Wadika
Wadika
everyone!
everyone.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel where you get to know anything and everything about Thailand. So today we are going to react to episode 9 of Dong With You, and we have also reacted to episode 8 of Dong With You. So if you haven't watched that already, you can go watch it before watching this reaction video. The link will be above. And to give a recap of what happened in episode 8, so it was Shin and Tue fought a lot, and Shin said to Tue that he liked him before, but now he doesn't like him anymore. And then he confessed to Duong that he likes him, and finally he threw away the teddy bear that Tue gave him. So I am so happy he did that at last. So yeah, the episode ended at a happy
Cute
ending. So it's a
moment.
cute
Yes.
happy ending. So I wish to see more of that in this episode as well. So let's go.
And in the behind the scenes, one threw that teddy bear in the river. Guys,
Oh my god, yes, I saw.
good job, Dong. Good job. Now let's go and watch
Yeah,
episode 9. Let's go.
yes.
These house seem familiar. This house is so familiar. Bro, this is Day You to Death wala ghar hai ye. Day to Death ka ghar hai. Bhai, Day You to Death was shot over here. This is Jung's house. Like this used to be Jung's house. Now it's done. No, it's Chin's. Chin's house. Like why do I do this? Why?
He's so talented, bhai. I thought they'll fake it, but he's good.
Yeah, I thought that almost. Thought it twice that he's faking it, but he is playing it.
I usually what they do, they'll just
Show the
show pieces.
hand, yeah, pictures,
हाँ, yeah,
or they won't show. They won't do
face.
the dragging part. They'll show the hand
हाँ,
and the body part, but
actually
he is.
दिखा रहे हैं उसको बजाते हुए.
They're tracking him
Like
down like
bro,
too good.
next level.
Musician,
Member of Dex.
talented. Wawa.
अबे साथ में बजाएंगे.
उसको बजाना आता है? कुछ और ही करने वाला है भाई.
Formally asking to be boyfriend.
Finally, कान तरस गए थे ये मुझे सुनने को. Ninth episode it is, guys. Ninth episode.
ดูเลย
Guys, किसको?
ให้คนอื่นเล่นเป็นโนให้ยังเนียนขอเป็นแฟนอีก
Guys, I'm talking to the audience. Fourth wall breaking. Don't understand what. I'm breaking the fourth wall and talking to the audience. Guys, guys, those people who are watching our videos, 20-30 people watches our video, bro. What are you saying? Narakja, narakti. Of course, he was waiting to be from first. We are too. Bro, that was very hot. Can I see that one more time? How chin sat. Show me that one more time. One more. Ooh, love it. They have got parents' approval. Who can stop them?
चेहरा देखने वाला चेहरा बना रखा है
I'm concentrating. Why? Don't disturb. Don't disturb. We don't get to see these kinds of scenes in GMM, bro. Oh no, we got in Only friends dream on. I can't. I can't handle myself. So much detailing they are doing. I can't take this detailing. So, guys, actually, what happened? Our recording stopped in the middle of the episode, and then I started recording it, but I didn't tell her. See, we didn't react
This is
badly, and the
bad.
places we think that we should not give, I'll not give because we have discussed a lot of things that I should think we should not give that part.
Oh God.
So, yeah, those parts will be trimmed out. He,
मेरे को कैमरा बंद कर देना चाहिए था.
पता कैसे चलेगा मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रही थी. ओ हाँ, अगर कैमरा बंद करें, कैमरा बंद क्यों नहीं किया? रिकॉर्ड तो नहीं कर रही थी, तुम्हें तो पता नहीं था.
Okay.
Whatever, guys. This episode, mind blowing. But you know, they have done some repetitive things, some cliche things that is showing that again he knew him from a long time. That thing, it has become so boring now. That thing, so I don't like it anymore. And also, no, I can't say that. Okay, everything was good. It's a very good episode.
मैं सदमे में होता हूँ ना मेरे को.
मैं थी तब. Also, guys,
मेरे को नहीं. I don't know what I did.
no, we were
I
just
don't
watching
remember.
and we didn't give any exaggerated reactions. So you will see it when I edit it and upload it. It's a surprise for you too.
Okay. I hope you guys liked our reaction to this episode 9. So we are definitely waiting for episode 10 because they ended at a very
Cliffhanger.
abrupt moment. Like abruptly it ended. Like, sir, what is this?
Excuse me,
We
bro.
need to see.
That is not how you end it. Complete it. How will we like? We have to wait 1 week.
Earlier also when this scene was like there, so NC scene was there, they ended and next episode is starting with the continued.
Yes, but they
But
didn't.
why would he do that?
I don't know. They didn't do that for Khemjira at least because see, first
In
one,
Kimjira it was not like that, but
turn first one
in
had their
this
NC
series
scene.
they have
Yes, turn first one had the NC scene. They completed it totally. Then Kim and
Kimji.
Pokru and Kim, they had it. They completed it. Like just the kiss that didn't happen. Also though that didn't happen. Leave it. But they completed it. Why are you doing this over here? Even in Next Prince, Cutie Pie, they completed the scenes. Why are you doing this for this? Oh my
They
god!
are torturing us. They love to torture us.
Don't do this, please. Don't do this.
And now they are officially boyfriends. So
And they got their parents'
for
approval
that.
also. Parents' approval.
The moment I knew that Duang is coming to Shin's house, I was like, we'll get an NC scene. I was like, for sure.
Why did you think that? How? Why didn't I think that? Because I thought that maybe
Why? He's
Duang.
coming to his home now.
No, the
He'll
so,
stay the
but his
night.
parents were there.
Remember,
That time you knew that his
even
parents
if
were not
parents
going to
are there,
stay.
NC scene होता है.
अच्छा ठीक है.
I
Okay.
am now waiting Shin to meet Duang's parents and get
Yes,
another
and
NC scene.
in also his brother.
Huh?
His
Ah,
brother.
right.
Oh my god, Dex reunion will happen over there.
Yeah.
What if his brother also brings his boyfriend? What they say? Nice. It will. Please, Mandy, can you give that?
Yeah.
So yeah, and also one thing I always love about Dwang with you is they show cuteness, but it's not cringe. Like we do cringe a little bit, but it's not that much cringe that we won't be able to watch it anymore.
At one point, I was about to say it's cute, but it like both cute and cringe.
Cringe, yes, yes.
Yeah, it is a mixture of both.
And it's,
So,
good, good. Like it's not that much cringe that we won't be able to watch it anymore. So
uh-huh.
it's good cringe. Yeah.
Mhm.
So Kamakshi, end the video. Do the
So
credits.
I hope you guys liked the reaction. If you liked it, click on the thumbs up button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have done all that, then wait for our next reaction video for episode 10. Until then, bye bye.